Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to make a smoothie. What you need: cups, blender, yogurt, watermelon, pineapple, beetroots, banana, and water. First we are going to put the beetroots, then the bananas, then we put watermelon and pineapple. Now I'll put the yogurt. Next I'll put the water. Now I'll blend. Miss Jockey, please come and help me. Thank you, Miss Jockey, for helping me to blend it. Now we can taste it. Let me put some. Cheers. Cheers. This is tasty. It is delicious. Try it at home.
Cheers. How does it taste, Heavenly?
It tastes good.
Okay. Adano, how does it taste?
Wonderful.
Oh, wonderful. Sante, how does it taste?
Good.
Good. Okay. Brans, how does it taste?
It tastes delicious.
Delicious. Kamara,
It tastes good.
it tastes good. Talia,
It tastes like banana.
like banana. Okay. Maya,
Delicious.
delicious. Tanu,
Delicious.
okay. Gumato,
It's yummy.
it's yummy. Okay. Kasilet, how does it taste?
It tastes like the juice that I used to take when I was younger.
Oh, wow. How many liked it? Hands up if you liked it. Okay, how many did not like it? If you didn't like it, put your hand up. Oh, Talia didn't like it? Okay. Oh, you liked it?
I love it a little bit, but it's sour.
Oh, a little sour.
We don't take yogurt, so we're going to make without yogurt. Now we are going to put the watermelon and pineapple, and the beetroot and the banana. Now we are going to put in the water. Now I'll tell Miss Cookie to come and blend. Miss Cookie, please, may you come and blend for me? Now we are going to pour in the mixture.
how does it taste?
Like a banana.
Like bananas, yes. And Tyler, how does it taste?
It tastes good and bad.
Good and bad. I like the honesty. Would you make it again? Yes or no? Be honest, would you? No. Okay, thank you. And you, Leah, would you make it again? Yes. Or maybe you change something in it, yes?
Yeah.
Remember, you can make the smoothie however you like it, yes?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Sorry, what did you say, Leah?
I love smoothies.
You love smoothies. Okay, great. Thank you.
We make smoothies with both yogurt and no yogurt. And I like the one without yogurt because it tastes more sweet.
Santi, which one did you like?
So tasty, even delicious and big for everything.
You liked it? Which one? The one with yogurt or without?
Yogurt.
With yogurt, huh? Okay, thank you.